to my channel if you have not been here before. My name is Teagan. I have been saving for so long to get this computer, and I'm finally gonna go get it. This video is going to be an unboxing video slash vlog. So I'm gonna show you guys just clips throughout the day, and then I will make an unboxing portion towards the end. So if you want to skip towards the end, you're welcome to do that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
I have a really big problem though.
I don't know if I want to get the space gray or if I want to get the silver. I'm probably most likely going to get the silver and wish that I had gotten the space gray, or I might get the space gray and wish that I had gotten the silver. So either one of those are probably going to happen, but it's okay because I will have a MacBook Pro. Okay, so we are on our way right now,
so we can go and get my computer.
I'm so excited.
Six and a half hours later.
We just left the Simply Mac store, and I walked out with what I didn't know I was going to walk out with, a silver MacBook Pro that's 2018 with no touch bar, and I'm so excited to unbox this thing. So I have my MacBook Pro here. It's still got the wrapper on it. I have had it for about 4 hours and still haven't opened it. So yeah, going strong. So here we go. Got my screwdriver. Gonna be very careful not to drop it. This is her. Okay, we're gonna take it out of the box now. Okay, so here's the stickers. Here's the USB-C charging cable that we have. And here's the block. And I'm pretty sure that this piece right here can be taken off. It looks so much easier to do this. Okay, here's the USB-C power adapter. And this thing comes off, slides off, it's stuck. So that. This computer only has 2 ports and a headphone jack right here, and the 2 ports over here. And here we have it, the silver 2018 MacBook Pro with 256 gigabytes, 8 gigs RAM, and it does not have a touch bar. I wanted it without the touch bar. Okay. And it has the paper, of course. And it just turned on. Wow. Okay, now Siri's wanting me to click my language, and I click English. United States. Wi-Fi on, looking for networks. Wi-Fi on. This touchpad is very, very smooth. Continue. I'm gonna go with light for now. And we have it here.
Okay, everybody, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you hit the bell so that you'll get notifications for all my future videos. I will see you guys next Sunday with a new video. Bye.